All right, we are live. Welcome to this demo of Uptick app. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And if you're new around here, you're not sure what Uptick is, it is the #1 way to automate your affiliate outreach on TikTok Shop. Now, it's for both those new sellers looking to supercharge their listings right off the bat and gain traction, and also for 6- and 7-figure per month sellers looking to cross that 8-figure per month mark. Uptick is going to be your secret tool to success. Now, it's going to provide you a way to completely automate your TikTok Shop affiliate outreach while letting you lay back, relax, and enjoy the rewards that those affiliates are going to bring you. And if you stick around till the end of the video, we're going to be running a special promotion just for viewers of this video. That's enough talking for now. Let's jump into my computer and show you guys exactly how to set up your first automation. All right, here we are in the back end of Uptick. So once you've paid for your subscription and you've logged in, this is where you will be met with. So I've already made a bot and I already have one running for one of my brands, but I will go ahead and stop this bot and we'll go ahead and create a new one just to show you the complete process of doing that. So let's go through the full process, start to finish, of creating our first bot and watching it send its first message. Now I'm going to start here by just giving this campaign a title and this bot a title. So the product I'm selling is a shower steamer. So I will give it the title of steamer. Now I can come through and I can give the creator parameters. Now I would recommend not going with creators in the $0 to $100 range. Typically that type of creator is just going to be a lower quality of content creator. So I always recommend going at least 100 plus. I like to select all 3 of these and you still get a large amount of creators to work with. 32,000, almost 31,000 in total. So for this product, I want the follower gender to be primarily female. So I'm going to select that, as that is the demographic I'm going for. And other than that, I have no more criteria. So we'll come over here, we'll hit next. Now I've already added the product ID in here as I've already created this bot. But if you're curious as to how to do that, you will come over here to Seller Center, and right here you will be able to copy the product ID. And then you will simply paste it in here and add it. All right, and then the next thing is you can customize the exact message you want to send to the affiliates. Now, I'd recommend you make some small adjustments to this message, but this is a proven message that has generated really, really good results for me and my team. You can add benefits of your specific product. For example, mine is stress relieving and anxiety relieving, and they are shower steamers, so I add those 2 things, and then you will replace those with whatever the benefits are for your own product. Then you will click Save and Start, and your bot is ready to go just like that. And if we come over to the chat, we can see the bot in action. Now, the time it takes for it to send each message can vary. Typically, we see between 2 and 5 minutes per message. And you can manage everything on the logs page here, where we've been experimenting all day with the bot, so it hasn't been running concurrently. But if we go back to yesterday, you can see that it was sending right around every 2 to 5 minutes. It was sending a message, even sometimes going as low as 1 minute in between each message. But as you can see here, it's sending out the first message. And I'm sure within the next couple minutes or so, it'll send out the next. And there we go. It just sent out the message along with the product card for that affiliate to request a free sample on. Now I will fast forward through this next part and we'll wait till it sends out its next message. There we go. It's starting to process its next message about a minute later, and we can watch it do this one as well. There it goes, sending the product card, and then the affiliate message will follow along shortly after. There it goes. That is how the bot works. It signs in all on the cloud digitally, and it's able to send the product card plus the message that you would like to send. Now, a lot of our competitors have this happen locally on your computer, which slows down your computer greatly, and in some instances doesn't even let you use your computer. Whereas our software operates completely on the cloud and allows you to send much more messages without slowing down your computer during a workday. Now, I just want to pull up the calculator here just to show you how truly incredible this software is. So you can send at about 700 to 1,000 messages per day. Now we'll go with 750 times 30. So you can send about 22,500 messages per month on Uptick. Now that will generate you hundreds of sample requests. I used to have a virtual assistant full-time on staff working 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day, just sending out messages to affiliates. That cost me $4 an hour times 8 hours a day, 5 days in a week, and 4 weeks in a month. I was paying $640. He was able to send out 400 affiliate messages per day. Now with Uptick, I'm able to send out 750 messages per day at half the cost. So now I'm able to do double the messages and half the cost. That's why it's been so revolutionary for me and my business. For my 4 brands, I've been able to scale them dramatically using this software, which has allowed me to cross that 6-figure per month threshold. Now, I said at the start of the video that I would have a special deal for you guys, and this is it. It's truly amazing. I've been able to get 30% off for beta users. So if you join now until the end of this week, you will be able to access the 30% off pricing, which for the standard plan brings the price down from $255 down to $179, and the VIP plan down from $427 down to just $299. Now, if you are interested, make sure to act quick and grab this deal. I'm going to put a link in the video description where you can access the app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and I really hope it helps you skyrocket your business.